Thanks, Scott.
You're welcome.
Do you say to clients who say that they feel great after, but they're worried that it's going to come back like it's too good to be true, and then a month later they have a bad day again and kind of will the problem?
Yeah, so you want to pick that up on the testing on the day. So if you can see a slight hesitation, like, this is awesome, my life has changed. Yeah, I feel great, this is awesome. You've got to catch that. Think, hey, whoa, what was that face for? You screwed your face up. What was that about? No, to be honest, this seems too good to be true. Okay, let's talk about that. What is that telling us? Just another knot that needs to be untied, because that could will itself, I like that, will itself into reality. It could, because a client, let's say, drives home or goes to sleep afterwards or wakes up and spends the rest of the day thinking, they can undo all that stuff, even though it's locked off unconsciously. All it takes is for their resource not to be strong enough, or it just breaks. So when you're testing, that's why I say you've got to watch your clients. Don't just watch for the happy stuff, watch for the slight hesitation, like, yeah, Paul, this is awesome. I'm never going to smoke. Yeah, no, this is really good. Whoa, what was that? What was what? You just hesitated. What was that about? Oh, I've really got to tell you the truth about something. Is that okay, Scott? Yes, tell me about it. That's that deep knot. That's what you've got to get rid of. Does that make sense?